This is a video about the chainsaw CD52H in the field. Wear protective eyewear, wear some ear protection, and wear the face shield. Adjust the face shield to fit your head using the knob at the back. Make sure that the first aid kit is always on you. This is a fallen coconut tree that I will be demonstrating this chainsaw on. Gauge the size of the task and start the chainsaw using the recommended procedure in the chainsaw assembly and operation video. When using the bottom-up cutting method, be aware of the chainsaw forces on you and make sure that the forces are compensated by wedging the chainsaw against the body. Now, cleaning the chainsaw is the most important thing that you need to take care of for longevity of the chainsaw. Begin by removing the nuts to the chain brake assembly. Clean all of the wood chips that you see within the chainsaw assembly. Care should be taken that all wood chips are removed for further use. loosen the chain and remove the chain and the bar of the chainsaw. Now, the most important thing about cleaning a chainsaw is making sure that this small oiling hole is very clean at the top. This is the hole that takes lubricating oil through the chain, through the bar, and lubricates the whole chainsaw assembly. Proceed to clean the guide rails. Once the chainsaw is fully cleaned, empty the fuel and start the chainsaw and run it until it's empty. This way, the next time you start the chainsaw, you won't have any fuel clogging issues.